Hi friends, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make fire sensor. For this project you will need IR receiver, red LED, 8-pin IC base, LM358 IC, 10K ohms variable resistor, screw terminal, buzzer, 10K ohms resistor, and 470 ohms resistor. I received these high quality PCBs from Ezi PCB. If you are also interested, I will show you the complete ordering procedure at the end of this video. Insert all the electronic components into the PCB one by one. Please check out the circuit diagram of this project. You can draw it on a piece of paper before starting the project. Now solder all these components one by one. Cut all the extra pins using a wire cutter. Insert LM358 IC into the IC base and connect the positive and negative wires of 9V battery with the screw terminal. When a flame comes in the front of IR receiver, the buzzer sounds. Ezi PCB is the largest PCB prototype enterprise in China and a high-tech manufacturer specializing in quick PCB prototype and small batch PCB production. Ordering PCB with Ezi PCB is very easy and so simple. You should just create your Gerber file and upload to Ezi PCB. Here you can order your high-quality PCB at a very cheap price. After that, you should just select your desired PCB color from different colors and select the quantity of your PCB. Here you can order 2 layers, 4 layers and 6 layers of PCB at a very cheap price, just in $2. Please like, share and comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.